Water towers of South Asian 1.5 billion human beings, the Himalayas are in danger. The Himalayas are 55 million year old, act as water tower of Asia, feeding 10 major rivers: the Indus River system, the Ganges River system, the Brahmaputra River system. Melting glaciers, creating floods, disasters, and claiming thousands of lives in India and Pakistan after every few years. Recent floods in Pakistan claimed hundreds of lives and billions of rupees loss in the form of property, livestock, and agriculture. Himalayan glaciers are major source of fresh water in the region, which is depleting with the alarming pace. Here I am going to present a comparison of the glacier cover from 1984 to 2020. I will present you an area of the state of Jammu and Kashmir and will show you how glacier cover decreased with time. This is the first image. This is the image of 1984. You are observing glacier cover on the mountain peaks. This is the image of December 1984, and you are watching that all the mountain peaks are covered with snow or glaciers, and no glacial lake could be observed at that time in this region. So it means that glacier cover is intact, and there is no danger of the glacial lake outburst flooding. Now we move toward 2002, and this is the image of 2002. You could observe that with the passage of time in 18 years, significant amount of glacier cover is decreased, or you can say that it is melted, and some glacial lakes are evident now in the region. You could observe on the top of the image and then in the middle of the image, and all over the region glacial lakes are emerging, and you could observe these lakes in this image. Now if we move further to 2014 image, you could observe now this is the image of 2014, and in this image the glacial cover is decreased significantly and glacial lakes are more prominent. One can see that there are many glacial lakes are now prominent in the region, in this region, in the lower part and in upper part as well. This is alarming that at what pace these glaciers are being melted. Now get ready to watch the image of 2022. Next, I will move toward 2020. This is the image of 2020. You can see that almost 80% of glacier cover is diminished, and one could observe that there are a lot of glacier lakes are now prominent in the region, in whole region from top to middle and to the lower end of this image. There are a lot of glacial lakes, and these lakes are creating the danger of glacial lake outburst flooding. So, if we discuss that, what will be the consequences of this glacial melt? So, the first and prominent hazard associated with this is the glacial lake outburst flooding. When glacial melts, it creates water, and that water moves downhill under the effect of gravity. And the next major hazard associated with fast glacial melting is flood. When excessive amount of water produced, then the river overflows and flooding occurs in low-lying areas. At end of the day, what we could do? We could reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. We could protect mountain ecosystem. We could raise awareness among the masses and support the climate action around the world to avoid such hazards in future and to save our future generations.